Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving headfirst into the world of Coach with a mini haul as well as a reveal of something I have been so eager to share with you guys. I recently went into a Coach coffee shop as well as a Coach outlet, and oh my goodness, do I have some goodies to share. I will first walk you through the Coach coffee shop experience and share with you guys the merchandise I could not resist. Then we're gonna move on to the star of the show, which is the Coach Grayson Tote in this beautiful olive green pebble leather. So on a recent trip to the Coach coffee shop to check out the coffee shop and to get a strawberry matcha, we all know that I was not going to check out the store without checking out and buying some merch. It is the cutest little coffee shop, you guys. When you walk in, it's not the biggest. Some of the other locations are actual stores. This is sort of like a kiosk on steroids. They have seating, they have their little counter where you can purchase things. There is a little stand that has their totes in beige and blue. They do not have the one that's offered in pink, but I thought I can get it from there. No, they are behind the counter. That's just their display. And so I went in for my strawberry matcha. That was, I believe, $6. And I said, who am I fooling? I was like, let me get a tote in blue. And she reached behind the counter and I said, I don't need all of the bells and whistles. And I said, you can just grab me one from off the rack. And she said, no, that's just for display. They're under here for us and it's wrapped in all the paper and everything. And I said, okay, fine, I don't need it, but I'll take it. So then she rings me up for my matcha and my blue tote bag. Then as I'm waiting on the side for my matcha to be done, I see this display that had keychains, it had a coffee mug, a tea mug, as well as she was replacing a blue pouch. And I said, I didn't see that pouch anywhere. She goes, oh, the person before you brought the pouch. And I was like, I want the pouch. So she reached over in front of the woman who was after me, checked me out, and then I waited for my strawberry matcha. And I kept saying, oh my goodness, like I expected to walk into this coffee shop and just want to buy everything, but they had limited things. There was no Tabby pastries, there was no t-shirts, no sweatshirts, none of that. It was just the totes, the coffee mug, the teacup set, and the pouch and the bag, and a few keychains. And the Lord knew that that's all that I needed to see. So let's hop straight into what I picked up. So as I said, everything comes in the package. It says Coach New York, and it does actually have a sticker on it that reads Coffee Canvas Tote Deep Blue. I'll give you guys a story time after this, but like I thought that I was going to get another color of this. And my gosh, when I saw that they had it in blue, I was like, yes, please, look at how cute this is. I will tell you, it is $95 US. This is real leather that it's trimmed in. Oh my gosh, I love this thing so much. And it's not just your average canvas tote. This thing is thick, like really, really thick canvas. And when you take these off here, you have a leather snap closure. Take this stuff out. It is gonna lose its shape a little bit, but it's still a sturdy bag nonetheless. This is the tote, and I had no idea. I just thought that this was just like a coffee mug. She has a whole personality. This is called Little Miss Joe, and it says the Coach Coffee Shop, and Little Miss Joe is there with her cute self. And the back of the bag just looks like this. Again, the entire strap is not leather. The chain that has the Coach tag connected to it is gold. And when you open the bag, it is just one big open space. Oh, and they actually give you a dust bag with the tote bag, which is really cute. And the inside of the bag just says, Coach Coffee Shop, Little Miss Joe is not your average cup of coffee, always down for an adventure and hailing from our dynamic hometown of New York City. She brings an authentic dose of Big Apple energy wherever she goes. And then it has like a serial number, but it is just a really, really cute bag. So that is the tote bag, $95 US, really cute. Go into like the farmer's market. This is the perfect little tote, or you're going to throw some books and you want to go read somewhere. Amazing tote. So as I mentioned, after I purchased my tote, she ironically was replacing this. And I said, oh my gosh, I need that. and it was 45 US dollars. And this is just the Coach canvas pouch, and it also says deep blue as the color. And when you pull it out, this is what it is, the Coach Coffee Shop little pouch. I'm trying to take this off. Oh, it's a turn lock. I love that. So it's a turn lock right here, but when you put this over it and lock it, you can't get into the pouch. So I think that's a really, really cute feature of this pouch. And honestly, I just want to use this to throw like chargers. The zipper is not zippering, okay? Maybe it was caught on some tissue. It was caught on some tissue. Okay, so here it is. Gold hardware, which I love. I love a good navy with gold color story. It just, I don't know, it elevates it. I do not know why. So this is just a little pouch, and I'm sure that someone can carry this as a wristlet. The inside does have that Coach stamp in there, and it actually, oh, I thought it was a little pocket. It's not a pocket, but you do have the brown Coach stamp right there. There is no pockets on the interior, but it's fine because this is just going to house like cords, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. And this is actually trimmed in leather. So for $45, you're getting sturdy, really, really sturdy canvas. Good, okay, now the zipper's working. Good gold brass-like hardware and a leather piping on this. So a really, really good buy. So my strawberry matcha that I went in for that was supposed to be $6 and some change wound up costing me a tote bag as well as this adorable pouch to go with it. Now, quick story time. If you did not know, Coach had a Tabby tour that was going around to college campuses around the nation, and you can do book swaps, you can read, they had reading nooks, and you can get a custom Coach leather bookmark. I was really excited to experience this because it was right in my backyard. It was in New Brunswick, New Jersey at the Rutgers College Avenue campus, supposedly. I was working at the doctor's office that day, and I kind of have a little bit more leniency than when I work at the hospital. So I had like an hour and some change break between patients. I thought I could run over there, which is like a 10 to 13 minute ride, and then run back. I get there, and turns out that they moved the Coach Tabby tour from the College Avenue campus in New Brunswick to the Piscataway campus, which is my hometown where I was raised. P-Way, you know. And it also is like 5 minutes from the office that I was working at that day. So I was really pissed. I lost a lot of time by going to New Brunswick and looking for the Coach Tabby tour and the location they said it was supposed to be. I wound up going on TikTok, and thankfully this mom and her daughter, I'll leave her handle here and I'll try to insert her video. She's like, if you're looking for the Coach Tabby tour, it's not on College Avenue. They've moved it, you know, to Piscataway on the Livingston campus. So thanks to her, I got there. However, it was a fail because by the time I got there, and this is with people not knowing it had been moved, the line was so long. And I said, maybe I'll just stand in line for a little bit and see how fast the line moves. No deal. However, it was in that line that I first saw women and students with the Coach coffee shop tote, but everyone had it in the beige with a really, really beautiful burgundy leather trim. And I was like, that's really nice, but I know it'll get dirty, and you guys know my crazy Virgo self, it would never ever work. So I kept saying, if I ever saw that in like the green, like the Ralph coffee shop green, I was like, if they make it in green or another like darker, like more masculine color, I would get it. Did some research and found out that they did make it in this blue, which is why I copped it. I will say, unlike the Ralph's coffee shop merch, you cannot purchase this online. You have to get it from a Coach coffee shop location. And I hear that they're building more. The first one, I believe, was in Tinton Falls, New Jersey at the Premium Outlets, which used to be my stomping grounds if you're an OG to my channel. But I live so close to the one in Elizabeth that I was able to get this. Let's get to the star of the show, which is this bag here. I will tell you how this came to be as I'm unpackaging it. So one Friday, I get a text message from Joey. He and our daughter are at the mall, and he sends me this screenshot, and I can't remember exactly what it says. I'll insert it. And he's like, I'm really falling in love with this bag. And here's me. Who dat in the bag?
Oh, who dat in the bag?
Like, I see a little portion of this green tote. And I said, pause, what's that about that? And he's like, oh, we already left. So when we woke up Saturday morning, as he rolled over, here's me. I'm like, blink, blink, blink. We're on a mission today. And he was like, what are you talking about? He knows with me, you guys know from the Tiffany classes, he knows it's always a shopping mission with me. So I said, we are going to the Coach outlet to buy some bags. And he's like, no, I shouldn't. I was like, you're not. I am. I'm treating us to some bags. Get up, round yourself together, and we're going to go. And I was on call that day. My hospital is literally maybe 10 minutes from the Coach outlet store. So I said, I'm gonna grab my scrubs, threw them over my arm just in case I got called in. Do you guys know that the minute we pulled up, could not find parking, the minute we pulled up to the mall, I got a phone call. We have an ER patient. And I looked at him, I said, double park. I'm gonna go in this store. This is going to be the quickest transaction I have ever made. He double parked, I hopped out where the Coach store is, walked in, I was like, hi, I need that and that. And she's like, okay, the green one is the last. I said, I don't care. I'm gonna schlep this thing around. My man, he may care. Give him the works, all the paper, the plastic, something new that hasn't been touched. I'm going to take this and run. That guy handed me my bag. I was like Superman. I ran out of there, hopped in the car. And the funny part is that when I got to the hospital, because remember, I left the house with my scrubs in my hand. I got to the hospital, I looked and I said, I'm throwing my belongings in this tote to run into the hospital. Again, feeling like Superman. So I quickly took all the stuffing out and threw my clothes in, and I walked into my lab with my brand new bag that day. But just a really, really funny story to tell you how I got this beautiful, beautiful bag. Now, I did a video a few years ago talking about how I really don't like tote bags, and I realized I have quite a few tote bags. Shame on me for saying that. But I then in that video said, if I do a tote bag, it has to have two of these components. It has to have a top zip, bam, and it has to have a crossbody strap, which this bag does have. So let's just get into the bag. Again, this is the Coach Grayson Tote in a olive green pebbled leather. Here is the Coach tab in the front. There is a small pocket in the front of the bag here. There is not a pocket in the back, which is very interesting. I feel like this would have been a bag that you can just sort of put over your rolling suitcase. However, that can be for your passport, your little cash, train tickets, plane tickets, whatever. So like I said, this does have a top zip. The hardware is this beautiful silver, and the zipper is like butter, baby. So the overall look and the feel before we really get into the bag is very high quality. You guys know I purchased from the Coach outlet a lot. This leather feels very different from, let's say, my Coach Hudson backpacks, which are good leather, but it's a harder leather. This is soft. I can tell it's going to be really durable. I feel that the level of construction, as Coach has elevated themselves, I know that they've always been that girl, but they've recently had a resurgence, and even the factory pieces feel like they've been elevated in their quality. So again, I think that this was done well. It's very simple. You have the Coach stamping here. Like I said, the pocket in the front. The straps feel very substantial. This does not have feet. I don't know if I wanted it to have feet or not, but it does not have feet, just to let you know. The bag is 17¼ inches long. It's 13¼ inches high. It has a width of 5½ inches with 4¼ inch drop handles, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. This is a great size bag for someone who's going to use it for everyday work purposes if you carry a lot. Lately, I've been carrying a lot to work. I'm trying to get into matcha, so I'm bringing a matcha cup. I'm trying to bring my water bottle. I'm trying to bring my lunch every day. I bring my iPad if I'm at the office because I can work on my iPad during reports between patients. And then I bring my laptop just in case I have time to edit videos on the go. So I'm carrying a lot, and this is perfect for that. It does get heavy. I'll show you guys Joseph's. He has been carrying his, I believe the laptop that I got him is like a 14 or 16 inch MacBook. And his gets a little heavy, but, and I could see this getting heavy. The bag is very malleable, very squishy, and I could see everything just sinking. Again, I will show you Joey's bag in a minute. I can even see this for a weekend getaway bag, if you're just throwing clothes in for the weekend, or if you're going to use this as your carry-on bag, it does hold a lot with those dimensions. Once you take all of the stuffing out of the bag, you can really get a feel for just how mushy and soft and just amazing this bag is. And you can also see why I say, because it really has no structure, that if you start to put heavy things in here, it is just going to fall like that. This is Joseph's bag. It is very heavy inside, and you can just see how it just, I mean, it's holding up really well, but it's heavy. And I will share with you guys what he has in it. It's so heavy I can't even hold it up. So this is his laptop that I got him. It should be inside the case, but instead his laptop case that I got him also from Leatherology, I love this thing, his laptop case has like papers and files in it. So those two things made the bag really, really heavy. And this is what it looks like. I really like the black. But he is someone who does not, and I don't mean this derogatory, he knows, he doesn't baby his things. He takes the train into Manhattan. He is schlepping this thing up and down around the city. And he's been using it for about a month and a half, and it is in amazing condition. There's no chipping. The leather piping on the bag is not, chipping or fraying or melting. This is a gorgeous bag. I'm just gonna connect the crossbody strap on my bag, and it's the typical black strap. But what I will say is it does have the green tabs on it. Sometimes you get these crossbody straps and they just leave it black. So now that we've gone over what the outside of the bag looks like, I'm going to flip this thing inside out and show you the inside. So this is the inside of the bag. On one side, you have this decent size interior pocket with the brown Coach stamp right here. And I'm pretty sure you can house like a phone, a few wires, passport, ticket, stuff like that. So that's on that side. And when you flip it to this side, you do have two smaller compartments, which again can be used for those same exact items. But I love that while this is just a big open compartment, that they do give you not one, not two, but 3 storage options inside the bag. So just again, looking at the bag, the stitching is super clean. You guys know that Coach is really known for their craftsmanship, their amazing quality. This is very similar to my Hudson backpack in green. It does have this contrast, lighter sort of lime green stitching that you see throughout the bag. But again, the stitching is impeccable. The feel of the bag is impeccable. I do not see this bag really failing me at all. Again, I think the only downside of this bag is that because it has no structure and its size, you can fall into putting a lot into it and it'll be really, really heavy to carry it with your hand. But that's where the crossbody strap does come in. And the thickness of the strap does feel like, even at its heaviest, the bag will be comfortable to wear. I do not know just as of yet, but I will let you know. As far as pricing goes, you know how I feel about outlet pricing. I think that what they sell it as is really what the bag is worth. They say that this retails for $598 US, and we purchased each of ours for $249, which I think for a bag of this size and a bag of this heft and this quality for $249, I think it's amazing. So there you have it, my reveal and first impressions of the Coach Grayson Tote in this beautiful olive green color and this beautiful pebbled leather. I think it's a practical bag. It's well made. It's really, really durable. I'm excited to get some use out of it. I hope that you found this helpful if you were looking at this tote, and I hope that I gave you enough insight as to whether it's something that would fit in your everyday use or something that you can use for travel or hanging out on the weekend. Let me know your thoughts on this piece, as well as my Coach coffee shop finds, which I'm so excited for. I can't wait to carry those as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.